Hello children, welcome to class 3 English. I am your English teacher from Mount Zion Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Pudukkottai. Today we are going to deal with lesson 2, Treasure Map. Do you know what the word treasure means? Yes, treasure is anything that we value. It would be a thing, a person, an animal, or a memory. Now, let's move on to the story. Pia and Piyush find a map in a bottle. Where will the map take them? Let's listen and find out. Pia and her brother were walking by the seashore. What's that? She said, walking towards a bottle that appeared to have been washed ashore by the waves. Her brother Piyush also ran to take a look at the bottle his sister had spotted. Pia picked up the bottle. It was a big green bottle with a cork at the top. She saw a paper rolled up inside. Piyush took the bottle. He held the cork and tried to put it out. It was too tight for him to open. Let me try, said Pia and took the bottle. She pulled hard and finally the cork came out. As soon as she had opened it, Pia pulled out the paper from inside. What is it? Asked Piyush. It looks like a map, said Pia. What does the map show? Asked Piyush. Pia unrolled the map, opened it, and turned it the right way up. She then said, I think it is a map of this beach. I want to see it too, said Piyush. He looked at it carefully. He pointed his finger at the map and asked his sister, What is this red cross on the map, Pia? Red cross? Asked Pia, seeing what Piyush had pointed to in the map. I think it is the place where someone may have hidden some treasure, said Pia. Can we look for it? Asked Piyush. Yes, let's look for it. I will read the map, said Pia. Can we look for it? Asked Piyush. Yes, let's look for it. I will read the map, said Pia. First, we need to locate the spot where there are 3 coconut trees growing together. There they are, said Piyush as he ran towards the trees. Now, Pia and Piyush decided to follow the map carefully. First, they headed 10 steps to the north, then they walked 20 steps to the west. They passed 4 trees as the map indicated. Finally, they came to the place marked with a red cross. The 2 children could not contain their excitement. They sat down and started digging the sand with their bare hands until their fingers hit an object buried inside the sand. It was a tiny box. Piyush picked it up and said, It is mine. No, it is mine. Piyush, said Pia. How can you say that? Asked Piyush, slightly disappointed. Look, it has my name on it, said Pia. Piyush looked at the box closely and saw the letters P-I-A on the box. Oh, it is yours, said Piyush sadly, handing the box to Pia. But why is your name on the box? He asked, looking puzzled. Pia began to laugh loudly and gave the box back to Piyush. Here it's for you, There are candies inside the box. How do you know? Asked Piyush, even more surprised. Pia smiled and said, I was the one who buried the box in the sand. Oh, I made the treasure map too. Isn't this fun? Oh, yes, said Piyush happily, taking out a candy from the box. The moral of the story is you can do many things if you work together. Thank you, children. Meet you in the next section.